Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best dollar finds is probably one of the most exciting and budget-friendly ways to discover hidden gems that can add a touch of novelty or utility to your life without breaking the bank, proving that incredible value can indeed be found in the most unexpected and affordable places, making every purchase a potential treasure hunt for the savvy shopper. Number 5. Amazon e-gift card. Introducing the Amazon e-gift card, a convenient and flexible way to give the perfect gift. Choose from a variety of designs and denominations to suit any occasion. Forget about expiration dates and hidden fees. This gift card is designed to be worry-free, offering lasting value for your recipient. It can be used for millions of items on Amazon.com and affiliated websites. This means your loved one can find exactly what they're looking for. Need it now? It's available for immediate digital delivery. You can also schedule the email to arrive up to a year in advance. Please note that these gift cards are intended for purchases on Amazon.com and related sites. They cannot be returned or refunded. What we like? This digital gift offers ultimate flexibility. It never expires and can be delivered instantly, making it perfect for last-minute gifts or when you need to send funds quickly. If you're looking for a gift that guarantees the recipient can get exactly what they want, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is a great little item that works as advertised. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits perfectly in my hand. I love the fact that it has multiple functions, making it very versatile. Number 4. Apple Barrel Acrylic Paint, Assorted Colors, 2 ounces. This acrylic paint comes in a convenient 2-ounce size. It's perfect for base coating, stenciling, and many other creative projects. Achieve a beautiful matte finish when it dries. This brilliant paint is ideal for all your arts and crafts needs. Add this fun, bright paint to your DIY projects. Grab your brushes and let your creativity flow. You can use it on a variety of surfaces. It adheres well to wood, paper, canvas, styrofoam, and papier-mâché. Cleanup is a breeze with this paint. Simply use soap and water while it's still wet. What we like? This paint is perfect for all your creative endeavors. Its convenient size and ability to work on various surfaces make it a go-to for DIY projects. If you enjoy crafting and need a reliable paint for base coating or adding pops of color to wood, paper, or canvas, this is an excellent option. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that complements any decor. Its innovative features make it stand out from competitors. The build quality is excellent, ensuring durability and longevity. Number 3. Dial Antibacterial Deodorant Bar Soap, Advanced Clean, Gold. Experience a new level of clean with our advanced formula. It's designed to provide a deep cleanse that leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. This soap sets the gold standard for personal hygiene. Its rich lather works to effectively remove dirt and bacteria, ensuring you feel confident all day long. Protect your skin from everyday germs. Our antibacterial properties help to keep you healthy and safe, providing peace of mind with every use. Enjoy the invigorating scent that accompanies its powerful cleaning action. It leaves a subtle, pleasant fragrance that lasts, keeping you feeling fresh. Get more of what you love with this convenient multi-pack. It's an economical choice that ensures you always have this essential cleansing bar on hand. What we like? Experience a superior level of hygiene with this soap. It's designed to provide an advanced clean while being antibacterial. If you prioritize a thorough and protective cleanse for your daily routine, this is the bar for you. What people say. The item is made of durable material and has a sleek design. It functions as advertised and is easy to use. The product features a unique mechanism that sets it apart from competitors. Number 2. Yardley London Cocoa Butter Nourishing Bath Soap Bar. Experience the rich lather of this cream soap. It gently cleanses while leaving your skin feeling soft and moisturized, never dry or tight. This is the ultimate bar soap for deeply moisturizing your skin. It's formulated to provide intense hydration with every wash. Keep your skin feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated. It's designed to cleanse and nourish, leaving it feeling refreshed and healthy. Infused with pure cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E, this bar soap works wonders on dry skin. It helps to soften and replenish your skin's natural moisture. Perfect for daily use, this gentle formula ensures your skin stays clean and nourished. Enjoy a soft, supple feel after every shower. Discover the difference pure cocoa butter can make. It transforms your bathing routine into a luxurious moisturizing experience. What we like. Indulge your skin with this moisturizing soap. Enriched with cocoa butter, shea butter, and vitamin E, it cleanses without leaving your skin feeling dry. If you have dry or sensitive skin and are looking for a bar that leaves it feeling soft, smooth, and hydrated, this is the perfect choice for daily use. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that fits well with any decor. It is very easy to use, with intuitive controls and clear instructions. The build quality is excellent, feels sturdy and durable. Number 1. 60 PCS Dual Heads Blackhead Remover Kit. Introducing our comprehensive Blackhead Remover Kit. It features dual-headed tools designed for effective blemish removal. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these tools ensure durability and hygiene. They are designed for safe and gentle use on your skin. This kit provides a complete solution for blackheads, pimples, and whiteheads. Achieve clearer skin with ease. It comes with a portable box, making it easy to carry and use anywhere. Maintain your skincare routine on the go. Our Pimple Popper Tool Kit is designed to be risk-free for your face. Enjoy a safe and effective skincare experience. With 60 pieces included, you'll have plenty of tools for all your skincare needs. This set offers great value and long-term use. What we like. Achieve clearer skin with this comprehensive tool kit. It features dual-headed extractors made from premium stainless steel for effective blemish removal. If you're looking for a precise and hygienic way to manage blackheads and pimples, and appreciate the convenience of a portable case, this kit is an excellent investment for your skincare routine. What people say. The product is very durable and has a sleek design. It features a unique locking mechanism that ensures security. The battery life is exceptionally long, lasting for several days on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.